How to make furniture store website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because you just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. It's completely free to create an account on Wix.com. So next, you just need to click this blue button, create new site. And you will be redirected to next page, Wix site creation. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. And now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need the furniture store website. I'm just typing this. And here we can have furniture store, used furniture store, vintage furniture store, rustic, office, bedroom, baby, and so on. Here you can choose whatever you want, whatever you need, what type of website do you want to create actually. So I'm gonna choose this one. And the next step is that we need to create a name for website. Basically the name of our store. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on, don't really need this website. Do you already have an online store? This will help us customize your site based on your store needs. So if you do, click this one. If you don't, click this one, obviously. And what kind of products are you selling? Select anything you're selling now or plan to sell in the future. So basically in the furniture store, I guess you will be selling this one, or also drop shipping products are nice. So I'm gonna choose physical products and drop shipping products. You can choose whatever you want. How are you offering your products? This will let you manage all your sales channels in one place. So basically, you can also choose whatever you want here. I'm gonna choose this one, just for an example. And now we can continue to dashboard. Now we are back to our dashboard and we can see that we still have 7 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. That's pretty simple. Just answer about your first product, set up shipping and delivery, set up your payment methods. You should complete this by yourself. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design your website, the most important one here, and the most complicated maybe. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website, pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. So I'm gonna choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix.com can offer us plenty of templates and all of them are really nice. You can see it already. Basically you just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. To be honest, all templates are really nice, as I already said, but I'm gonna choose this one because I really like this one, and this is also best match, you can see. And now you need to click this one, this button, edit, because you should customize a bit this template in order to get exactly the website you want. And now we are moving to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, C Sharp, or maybe Java. You just need to use a website to create another website. That's why I highly recommend you to try this website, wix.com. Now we need to wait until everything loads. And so everything is ready. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our site. And of course we can manage them. We can delete some pages or like change the order of them. You can do it visible like this, and you can hide it from menu, deleting like that. Also you can add some new pages, and on the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, etc. So also here we see how our site is divided into several parts, from header here to footer. Also we have welcome section, product section, promotional section, brand section, Instagram section, and this is only home page. We have really a lot of pages here. So the main tool how to edit almost everything in this site is double clicking. For example, if you want to edit this specific section, for example welcome section, you need to just double click on this one, or also you can choose this one, quick edit, but I'm gonna double click, and now you can edit this section. For example, move everything, for example double click on text, delete it, write whatever you want here, change the style, fonts, font size, delete button like this. You can undo here. You can change the size of this button, obviously. Change the text of this button. You can just delete all of those. Of course, you can change this background here by clicking this button. And next, of course, you need to choose section products here, double clicking, manage products here, just clicking on this page, manage products, choose category. Here we can delete some of products, change the price of them, edit them, add new products here. Also here you need to add some elements. You can add text, add image by uploading image from your computer, or you can import images, even create AI image. Also you can choose free Wix images. Add button, for example you want to add this one, join us, just easily drag it here. For example, you have this guidelines. You can add section, for example gallery section, easily choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page. For example, you can edit a header section, and here you can see our gallery section is now loaded. You can change placement, change the size of section, easily move everything, set up all of those, manage them, add new stuff here, And when you are done editing this template, you can click this button, click publish to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.